From the boiling rivers of the Amazon to the mysteries of ancient monuments, the world is full of marvels that defy explanation. Nature, history, and science combine to tell stories that feel almost unbelievable, yet they are real. In this chapter, we uncover strange adaptations, cosmic wonders, and human curiosities that prove reality is far more fascinating than fiction. Olympus Mons on Mars is the largest volcano known in the solar system, towering nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Its base is as wide as the entire state of Arizona, making it a true giant among mountains. Truly, Olympus Mons is not just a volcano, it is a planetary landmark. It shows how powerful geology can be on other worlds. Unlike Earth's volcanoes, Mars has no shifting tectonic plates, allowing Olympus Mons to grow larger and larger over millions of years. Scientists believe it may have been active as recently as 25 million years ago. Truly, it reminds us that even distant planets hold clues about Earth's history. Giraffes spend hours each day stretching their long tongues to grasp leaves from thorny trees. Their tongues are often dark purple or black, a feature that protects them from sunburn. Truly, even tongues evolve for survival. The tough skin and dark pigment allow giraffes to strip leaves from acacia trees without injury. Their tongues can reach over 18 inches long, dexterous enough to pluck food with precision. This adaptation is a small detail but vital for survival in Africa's savannas. Truly, giraffes remind us that evolution designs beauty with purpose. Every feature, from neck to tongue, is a masterpiece of function. Their black tongues are nature's sunscreen, proof that even the smallest adaptation can make survival possible. The peregrine falcon is the fastest animal on Earth, capable of diving at speeds over 200 miles per hour. Its streamlined body, powerful muscles, and keen eyesight make it the ultimate hunter of the skies. Truly, the falcon is nature's rocket. Its dives, called stoops, allow it to strike prey with unmatched force. No cheetah, no fish, and no other bird comes close to its sheer speed. The falcon reminds us that flight is not just about grace, it can also be about power. Truly, this bird proves that evolution shapes champions in every element. To watch one dive is to see physics and biology in perfect harmony. It is speed personified, wings slicing through the sky like arrows of living lightning. In the deserts of California stands the bristlecone pine, one of the oldest living organisms on Earth. Some of these trees are more than 4,800 years old, making them older than the pyramids of Egypt. Truly, these trees are guardians of time. Their twisted trunks and weathered bark tell stories of centuries of storms, droughts, and survival. They thrive where few plants can live, in high, rocky soils with little water. Their age is a reminder that life does not always need speed. It can also endure through patience. Truly, the bristlecone pine is a monument of silence, standing tall as civilizations rise and fall. Each ring in its wood is a history book, written not in words but in time itself. Cats are famous for their ability to land gracefully, even when falling from great heights. This skill, known as the riding reflex, begins to develop when kittens are only a few weeks old. Truly, cats are acrobats of the animal kingdom. Their flexible spines, inner ear balance, and quick reflexes allow them to twist mid-air, aligning their bodies for a safe landing. Scientists have even documented cats surviving falls from skyscrapers. Truly, cats remind us that instinct can be as powerful as skill. Their survival is written in their design. Each leap, tumble, or fall becomes an elegant display of control, and every landing is proof of their mysterious resilience. In 1996, the world met Dolly the sheep, the first mammal cloned from an adult cell. Dolly was a scientific breakthrough, proving that complex life could be replicated with modern techniques. Truly, she marked the dawn of a new era in genetics. Her creation sparked debates about ethics, identity, and the boundaries of science. Dolly lived a normal sheep's life, but her birth reshaped the possibilities of biology. Truly, she is a symbol of both hope and caution. Cloning holds promise for saving endangered species, but also raises questions about human responsibility. Dolly's story proves that science can change the very definition of life. Stonehenge, the ancient monument in England, is aligned with the movements of the sun. Its stones mark solstices and equinoxes, suggesting it was used as a calendar or ceremonial site. Truly, Stonehenge is a puzzle of history. Built over 4,000 years ago, it remains a symbol of human ingenuity and mystery. No one fully knows how such massive stones were transported and arranged without modern tools. Yet its alignment with the heavens shows that ancient people had a deep understanding of astronomy. Truly, Stonehenge bridges the gap between earth and sky. It stands as a monument not just of stone, but of wonder. The stomach produces strong acid capable of dissolving metals like zinc, yet it never digests itself. This is because its walls are protected by a layer of mucus that constantly renews. Truly, the stomach is a marvel of design. Each day, it faces a storm of acid strong enough to melt steel. Yet it thrives, breaking down food safely while guarding itself. Without this protection, digestion would destroy life itself. Truly, the stomach reminds us of the balance between destruction and preservation. It shows how the body walks a fine line between power and protection. Every meal is a controlled fire inside us, tamed by layers of defense. Deep in the Amazon rainforest flows the Shanay-Timpishka, also called the Boiling River. Its waters can reach nearly 200 degrees F, hot enough to kill animals that fall in. Truly, this river is a furnace of nature. Unlike hot springs powered by volcanoes, this boiling river is heated by geothermal energy far from any volcano. It is a mystery that challenges scientists even today. Local legends say it is guarded by powerful spirits, and to see it is to witness danger itself. Truly, the river is a reminder that Earth still holds secrets of fire and water. Its steam rises like breath from the planet's core, whispering of power hidden beneath. The glass frog is one of nature's strangest creatures. Its skin is so transparent that you can see its internal organs, even its beating heart. Truly, it is a living window into biology. Found in Central and South America, these frogs blend perfectly into leaves, making them nearly invisible to predators. Their see-through bodies are both camouflage and a scientific marvel. Truly, glass frogs remind us that survival can mean becoming part of the background. They prove that nature's creativity knows no limits. Every glimpse of them is like peeking into the machinery of life itself. In the icy world of penguins, love is expressed with stones. Male penguins search for the perfect pebble and present it to females as part of courtship. If accepted, the pebble becomes part of the nest they build together. Truly, penguins turn simple rocks into symbols of devotion. Their rituals remind us that love often shines brightest in small gestures. The pebble is not just a gift, it is a promise of family and survival. Truly, penguins prove that romance is not only human. In their frozen homes, affection is written in stone. Each pebble tells a love story carved by ice and loyalty. A parasitic fungus known as Ophiocordyceps infects ants, taking over their behavior. The fungus compels the ant to climb plants and clamp onto leaves before killing it. From there, the fungus grows out of the ant's body, spreading spores to infect others. Truly, this is nature's horror story. The zombie ant fungus is proof that survival can be ruthless. Scientists study it for clues about disease and mind control. Truly, it is a reminder that life often blurs the line between science and nightmare. Ants become unwilling soldiers in the fungus's expansion, And in every spore, nature writes a chilling tale of control. Angel Falls in Venezuela is the tallest waterfall in the world, plunging over 3,200 feet, so high that water often evaporates into mist before reaching the ground. Truly, it is nature's skyscraper of water. Surrounded by lush rainforest and cliffs, Angel Falls is a breathtaking sight that captures the scale of Earth's beauty. Its endless drop reminds us of the raw power and majesty of the natural world. Truly, Angel Falls proves that sometimes the planet itself creates wonders beyond human imagination. Every drop is part of a journey from sky to earth, a reminder of nature's endless flow. Chameleons are famous for their ability to change skin color, but it is not always for camouflage. They also shift colors to regulate temperature and communicate with others. Truly, their bodies are canvases of expression. Special cells called chromatophores expand and contract, reflecting different wavelengths of light. This allows chameleons to turn shades of green, red, yellow, or blue. Truly, they are artists of survival and communication. Each change is a conversation with the environment. They remind us that beauty often has a hidden purpose. And in their shifting colors, nature paints its most dynamic art. Human bones may look fragile, but they are remarkably strong. Ounce for ounce, bone is stronger than steel, able to withstand immense pressure without breaking. Truly, the skeleton is an engineering marvel. It is both lightweight and durable, giving the body support and mobility. Every step we take rests on this hidden strength. Truly, bones remind us that power often hides beneath the surface. They carry us from birth to old age, silent and unyielding. With the ability to heal when broken, bones are not just strong, they are resilient. They are proof that within us lies a structure built for endurance. From diamond rains on distant planets to fungi that turn ants into zombies, these facts remind us how diverse and surprising life can be. Nature never runs out of creativity, and history never runs out of mysteries. Each discovery connects us to a deeper truth, that the world is more magical than we often realize.